Welcome to Architecture Bliss Channel. Have you ever wondered why some outdoor spaces feel like luxury resort sanctuaries, while others just feel like regular backyards? The secret lies in how modern water features blend contemporary minimalism with rustic natural elements to create that perfect tranquil escape right at home. Today, we're diving into the most innovative water feature designs that are revolutionizing outdoor living spaces, where sleek lines meet organic textures and cutting-edge technology harmonizes with timeless natural materials in ways you've never imagined before. If you're passionate about transforming outdoor spaces into peaceful retreats, or simply love discovering fresh landscape design ideas, you're going to absolutely love what we're sharing today. Make sure to hit that like button if these water feature concepts inspire you, and drop a comment telling us which design resonates most with your vision, because we genuinely want to hear about your dream outdoor sanctuary and what elements would make your backyard the ultimate relaxation destination. Let's start with the foundation of modern rustic water features, which begins with understanding how natural stone creates that essential connection between contemporary design and organic beauty. Picture smooth river rocks cascading water down sleek granite slabs, or weathered limestone walls integrated with minimalist steel waterspouts that create mesmerizing visual and auditory experiences. The magic happens when you layer different textures and materials to build depth in your outdoor water feature design. Imagine combining rough-hewn timber beams with polished concrete basins, or integrating reclaimed wood decking alongside brushed, stainless steel water channels that guide flowing water through your backyard oasis. This juxtaposition of rustic warmth and modern sophistication creates visual interest that transforms ordinary patios into extraordinary outdoor living rooms where nature and innovation coexist beautifully. Lighting transforms water features from daytime attractions into enchanting nighttime focal points that elevate your entire outdoor ambience. Contemporary LED strip lighting hidden beneath water surfaces creates ethereal glows, while strategically placed uplights illuminate cascading waterfalls and highlight natural stone textures. Smart lighting systems allow you to adjust colors and intensity, creating different moods from energizing morning brightness to calming evening amber tones that complement your outdoor entertainment or meditation needs perfectly. Sustainable design principles are reshaping how we approach modern water features, making them environmentally responsible while maintaining stunning aesthetic appeal. Recirculating pump systems minimize water waste, solar-powered fountains reduce energy consumption, and rainwater harvesting integration creates self-sustaining water feature ecosystems. Native aquatic plants filter water naturally while attracting beneficial wildlife, turning your contemporary water feature into a thriving ecological sanctuary that supports local biodiversity and demonstrates environmental stewardship. The scale and proportion of water features dramatically impact how they interact with your overall landscape design and outdoor architecture. Intimate bubbling rock fountains work beautifully in cozy courtyard settings, creating gentle soundscapes for small urban patios, while dramatic multi-tiered waterfalls become stunning centerpieces for expansive backyard retreats. Integration with outdoor living amenities elevates water features beyond decorative elements into functional design components that enhance your entire lifestyle experience. Imagine water walls adjacent to outdoor kitchens, providing cooling effects during summer gatherings, or infinity-edge pools with contemporary spillways, creating seamless transitions between swimming areas and lounging spaces. Fire and water features combined create mesmerizing contrasts where flickering flames dance above reflecting pools, offering year-round visual interest and multi-sensory outdoor experiences that captivate guests and family alike. These modern rustic water features represent more than just beautiful design trends. They're about creating meaningful outdoor sanctuaries where you can disconnect from daily stress and reconnect with nature's calming rhythms. Whether you're drawn to minimalist Zen gardens with simple bamboo waterspouts or elaborate natural stone waterfalls that mimic mountain streams, the key is choosing elements that authentically reflect your personal style while respecting the organic beauty of natural materials and contemporary design innovation. We hope these water feature ideas have sparked your creativity and inspired you to reimagine what's possible in your own outdoor living space. If you found value in today's exploration of modern tranquility meeting rustic charm, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content about innovative house design, landscape architecture, and outdoor living transformations. Share your thoughts in the comments below about which water feature concept you'd love to incorporate into your backyard sanctuary, and let us know what outdoor design topics you'd like us to explore next.